Mousy, do that again. I want you to walk around with it in your mouth like you just did. That was too cute. Oh, buddy, I know. You wear yourself out yet? Huh? Cokie. You're rubbing it all over you. That feel good. Oh, I missed it. Mommy's a bad photographer with this thing. Here. Ready, Mousy? Let me back up. Zoom out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay, Mousy, you could be a circus lion. Yes, you could, but I'm not going to send you to the circus. Oh, you playing? Wow, cool, Mama. Oh, he's going crazy over there, too. Did you throw your ball? Mama, here. Mommy's got to get you some more of those. You like those little balls, huh? Those fuzzy ones that you can grab onto with your claws. Ready? Oh, he was cleaning it. He was licking his baby. Ready? Ready, Mama? You don't look ready. Good job. Good job. Ready? Boink. Oh, good job, Mama. Boink. Good job. Good girl. Mousy's a good baby. She's a little mama. Come here. Come here, Mommy Mouse. Come on. Cokie. Cokie, you worn out yet? You watching Mouse? You watching a mouse? Hmm? Mousy, Cokie. Cokie, Mousy. Mousy. Oh, Cody. Cody. Hi, Cody. Cody.